Game one. Gonna do one here. That would tie the game if he could. First pitch. It's high for a ball, throw to second, and there is stolen bag number 17. No, he came off the bag, safe initially, and the slide took him off the second base bag. Heads up tag by Mason White, and that is an unfortunate way to lose the runner that would have been in scoring position.
Yeah, real powerful feet first slide here. And you see his knee comes off the bag. If you're watching at home, he's tagged at the belt.
Fast because, oh, there's a line drive base
There we go.
hit.
A little life in the supper clubbers.
Absolutely. That's in the gap. Lara with a big turn. Hey, he's going to try for second. Here's the throw. And thanks for joining us, Zach Brockman in the booth.